Greetings everyone, my name is Mario.jordan of the Jordan team, broker by eXp Realty. Today I'm going to show you a house in Duluth, Georgia. It's in Granite County. It's about 25 to 30 minutes north of Atlanta, going up 85. So this is a 4-bedroom home, 3.5 bath, traditional style built in 2015. It is in a gated community. It's a very nice area. So if you're looking in the Duluth, Gwinnett County, North Gwinnett County area, this might be the home for you. So let's go ahead and run through it. We're going to run through the entire house and let me know what you think. And by the way, go ahead and subscribe and share this video to anybody you know are looking for a house. Go ahead and share this with them. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this house. Okay, so we have an open floor plan. So it's the living room right into the kitchen. It's a hardwood floors, have a gas fireplace here. So it's wide open, so you have plenty of options as to what you want to do with the house. Dark gray granite countertops on the island, oversized island with the sink in the middle. We have the Edison light bulbs over the island. We have granite countertops here with the 5-eye gas stove, stainless steel. Pantry, you have your pantry here. Your half bath or powder room here. We have a 2-car garage. All right, so this is your dining area here with the low-hanging chandelier. Refrigerator goes here. More storage space there right next to the stairs. So we have oak wood stairs, oak wood staircase. All right, so let's go and take a look upstairs and look at the bedrooms and bathrooms upstairs. Okay, so on the upper level, we have hardwood floors here in the main hallway. So here's the first bedroom, carpet floors. Here's your closet space here. So we have carpet floors in this bedroom. Here's your bathroom here, sink here, toilet, and your basic bathtub here. Bathtub shower combination. All right, so this looks like it's a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you have the sink for the other, leading to the other bedroom. So this one is carpet floors as well. The other one had a ceiling fan. This one has just a basic light fixture, which of course that can be changed. If you buy the house, you can change whatever you want. You can put in a ceiling fan if you need to. Here's your laundry room here. Pretty spacious laundry room. All right, here is the owner suite. So it has the vaulted ceilings, the elevated ceilings. This is different, a little sitting area here. I guess you can make that a sitting area. You can add some pillows there, made a little sitting area. Carpet floors in here as well. Two separate closets. So you have your closet over here. And then you have another closet over here. Here's your shower. Has a nice shower head. It actually has a dual shower head. Open this up. So you have the dual shower head. You have this here, and this is very spacious. There's so much room in here. And then you have a shower head over there. So two people can literally take a shower at the same time and not be close to each other. You have the his and her sinks here. Dark wood cabinets. And your toilet is in a separate area with some linen storage space here. Not sure where the light is. Oh, there we go. Here we go. So there's your separate toilet space, which is perfect. I love houses that have the toilet in a separate space. That's actually how my wife and I house is now. Separate toilet. The toilet's in a different space. I love it. All right, so I've shown you 3 bedrooms on the upper level. Let's go ahead and go up to the top level and see the bonus room. All right, so this is the bonus room on the upper level. So this can serve as another bedroom, or it can be an entertainment room. It can be a workout room. It can be whatever type of room you want this to be. But this is the upper level room. It has its own bathroom. Basic tub shower combination. And this is some storage space. More storage space. And here's your closet. So again, this can be another bedroom, or you can make it an entertainment room. You can make it a workout room. You can make it a study room. You can make it an office. Whatever you want this room to be, it can be. And so you have a fenced-in yard here. It's all gated. I'm not gonna walk in the grass. I don't have shoes on. Out of respect of the owner of the house, they asked if we would take our shoes off, so I took my shoes off. So I'm not gonna walk in the grass, but there you have your yard, and it is gated. And there is an HOA, but the HOA does cover your maintenance of the grounds, so you don't really have to worry about cutting your grass. All right, there you have it, folks. So this is the house, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, built in 2015 in Duluth, Granite County. It's a very nice neighborhood. It's a gated community. Looks to be pretty quiet for the most part. Of course, I always recommend check out the neighborhood while everybody's at home, but it looks like it's a very nice neighborhood. So if you're interested in this house is going for $559,000. It's currently on the market now. So if you're interested, please reach out to me. I'm not the listing agent. I will be the buying agent. The listing agent is Connie Chung, but I will be the representative as the buying agent. So if you're interested in this house, please reach out anytime. You can reach out to me at Mario.jordan at exprealty.com, or you can reach out to me at 404-398-7518. If you have any questions about real estate, if you have any interest in any other areas, reach out anytime. Go to my website, dreamhomesatl.com, or go to my wife's website. We are a team. You can go to my wife's website, Taylor, Tayla, salesatl.com, and you can find any houses on there. You can contact her on there as well. Like I said, we are a team duo, so either one of us can definitely help you out at any time. Again, Mario Jordan of the Jordan team. Hope you enjoyed this tour of the house. If you have any questions, again, reach out to me. All right, have a great day. Peace and blessings.